Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the second episode of What's on My Plate, a very special Iftar challenge series. I'm your host Ramis Ansari, joined by my special host here, Brother Moodi.
Hello everyone, how are you?
You're known as the?
Diet doctor, that's the rumour anyway.
Hey, me and him, can we talk after? I'm trying to get into a diet.
Chat, yeah.
What do you mean we need to have a chat? Crazy. Anyway, so today, if you watched last episode, if you haven't, link in the description, make sure to check it out. But last episode, we had the winner, AbuBakir. And today we have put him in a position where it will be his toughest challenge yet. And this is also the man that, by the way, went on a flotilla to Palestine. But this is gonna be a challenge, my boy. Introducing AbuBakir.
Let's go. I'm ready, bro.
AbuBakir, now moving to this episode, How do you feel? You don't know who your contestant, who your opponent is right now, but I will say they are very skilled in this cooking area.
I'm actually really nervous, but I'm gonna try hard this as much as I can. I'm winning. Again, I'm taking the trophy home for the second time.
Against AbuBakir, we have brought a MasterChef celebrity. We're talking one of the favorites from the 2012 season, someone that's released her own cookbook, Amina's cookbook. She's not just a celebrity and a cooking wizard, she's a mother of two and also a pediatric nurse. Give it up for Amina. Walaikum assalam. Now, Sister Amina, I'm not sure if you checked out our last episode, but my boy over here was talking a lot of crap about MasterChef. Can we just get a replay?
So I do like a MasterChef.
Yeah, you should definitely.
I want to thank my mom and my grandma for teaching me how to make this dish.
Anything to say?
Boy, the mothers make the best meals.
Oh my God, I'm so scared.
Guten Tag?
Guten Tag.
What are you in German?
No, this is the German method. It's a great app on how to read the Quran in Arabic.
Who's it designed for Germans trying to learn Arabic?
It's actually designed for everyone, but it's especially good for beginners.
I wish I could do this, but I just have too busy of a schedule.
All you need is just 15 minutes a day. You could be reading your first words of the Quran in just 2 weeks. And there's even an instructor to guide you along your journey and to also give you feedback.
Has anyone actually learned from this, be honest?
Well, I'm not the only one. You can just ask over 2,000 students who have been able to read the Quran through this app.
And how do I get started?
Download the German method today. Wait, before we start, here are the rules. Contestants have 40 minutes to create an iftar dish using the ingredients we give them. To make sure no one commits a food crime, they will also get a recipe card, so the food is at least edible. But that's not all. Throughout the challenge, Brother Moodi and Ramis will be dropping random challenges. Win one, you get an advantage. Lose one, yeah, that's a disadvantage. Contestants will be judged on creativity, presentation, and of course, taste. So let the challenge begin.
Chicken tikka tacos.
Fusion food. I'm not a fan of fusion food.
I love tacos.
Now,
I love tacos.
have you ever cooked a chicken tikka taco yourself?
No, I do chicken tikka separately and I do my, Tex-Mex tacos, but that's about it.
And you?
I've never cooked chicken tikka in my life.
Okay.
I've made tacos before. I love tacos, but yeah, this is going to be a challenge.
Interesting. And judging by my skin complexion, you already know I love chicken tikka. So this is gonna be a good one. I'm ready for this one.
You've got 40 minutes and the time starts now.
Okay.
Do it.
Smack my him. And she's got her own knife. Bro, what?
Brought her
Are these Japanese knives? Can I touch
They are shun knives.
Wow. Now I'm gonna wash my hands.
Whoa. Now you gotta wash your hands?
No, I touched the chicken. I'm not gonna put chicken juice inside the glove. Come on, bro.
Now, do you think 40 minutes? Oh my God, you're ruined.
Oh, she's like mincing it. Okay.
I ain't never seen speed like that in my life.
That's actually insane. Okay.
That was MasterChef skill right there, bro.
That was MasterChef. I'm so scared right now. Crazy.
I am actually so looking forward to tasting today's dish. Like
Same.
today,
Same.
I got MasterChef level preparation, bro. I'm so blessed to be able to taste that one.
All right.
Yeah, Amina, how was the MasterChef experience? Because me, avid fan, love the show.
I think food's one of those wonderful things that you're going to constantly learn, You're going to constantly learn about how to use ingredients, recipes, cultural foods and the value of preserving cultural foods too. I think that's so important. It's been a wonderful learning experience.
Very good. And I recall hearing about this But your background is quite mixed as well. Tell
Yes.
us about that.
So I'm half Korean. So my mother's Korean, my dad's
Okay.
Egyptian, and
Korean and Egyptian.
That's
and then I'm married to a
interesting
Lebanese.
Okay.
So,
Wow.
And
Yes.
AbuBakir, yourself?
Um,
Iraqi and?
Iraqi Turkmen, not married to
Okay.
anyone.
Okay.
Yeah.
You put him out there.
Maybe.
Ladies, if you're interested, he can cook his way to your heart. He's actually looking pretty good.
I'm spicing things up. I didn't get the same spices as you. I'm gonna steal
have
some
you
of
got?
your turmeric and cumin.
oh yeah, here, let's share.
Oh, that's so
I've
wholesome.
got cumin seeds, but I don't want to use cumin seeds. All right.
There's ground cumin.
Bowl down, we're running out of time.
Amina, you weren't here for the last episode, but basically anytime I do, this will be followed by
And the challenge question,
Okay.
are you ready?
Yes, ready.
What shape is a stop sign?
Hexagon. Octagon. Oh,
No.
shoot.
You want to lock one in?
It's a stop sign. It's a circle.
Okay, are you locking that in?
Yeah?
Is it?
Isn't a stop sign? No.
Which country planet?
In Australia, no.
It's
what
not,
are we
it's
locking
not
in?
a circle.
I'm locking in circle.
Okay.
And Amina, what
What
are you
goes
locking in?
down?
I'm thinking it's probably either a hexagon or an octagon.
Lock in one answer in.
Oh, all right, octagon. I'm going.
And Brother Moodi?
Octagon is correct.
Hey, bro.
So do
Well
pay
done.
attention to the road.
I just drive past.
I don't think you really need an advantage, but hey,
This
why not?
is so unfair.
I will ask you to pick one out, or would you
Yeah.
like me to do it on behalf of you?
Yeah, why don't you do it if you
Okay.
don't mind?
Now, Amina,
Yep.
your advantage.
Yes.
Choose one utensil your opponent must use only for 1 minute. Must only use for 1 minute.
Knife.
A knife.
I don't know how you gonna stir that up now.
Mate, I gotta stir it with a knife. Well, actually, that's good because I need to open this with a knife. But where's the other one?
Your 1 minute starts now.
Oh, it's already opened. All right. Nice, a little bit more turmeric. Yeah, I can mix it up with a knife. You know, I'm gonna switch it up to a small knife. Oh, that's improvisation.
That looks so good. Oh my
Oh my
days.
god, this is. I'm so stressed out right now.
She's tasting her food as she goes, bro. You.
Yeah, I'm not tasting raw chicken.
I'm waiting for it.
Ah, okay. I thought you were like judging me like the amount of cumin.
Now, AbuBakir,
Tell me.
tell me what the hardest struggle was being on that flotilla for that many days.
Oh, man, are we gonna make this a comedy series? Or you want me to cry on this? There was a lot of things that were difficult. Obviously, you're on a boat with like 20 other people for a month straight, and that's difficult. You don't know who they are, and you're away from your family, and you don't know what's going to happen. And then you have drones attacking you in the middle of the night, and like you're literally worried whether you're gonna survive the next day. Like was a bit confronting. But like me knowing that there are people in Palestine waiting for us, just like, I was like,
course,
I'm doing this. Yeah, exactly, it's my drive. Alhamdulillah.
What's one piece of advice you'd like to share to people during this month of Ramadan, whether it be on how they eat, what they eat, or even anything else?
Definitely, I would say try and revive one of the sunan of the Prophet ﷺ. Whether it be, eating with your hands, clean hands, of course.
Yeah, did you hear that, AbuBakir?
My hands
Clean
are
hands,
clean.
AbuBakir.
My hands are very clean.
Clean fingertips have a type of good bacteria on them, flora, that activate the nutrients from the food. So you actually increase the bioavailability of the food and what you're consuming. Revive that sunnah. Revive the sunnah of, the way you break your fast. We just have a blasé approach to it. It's very important, to have the dates for the electrolytes followed by the water. Sit down, be in a state of khushu' when you consume your food.
You're both relatively at the same stage, but doing different things.
Yeah.
So I believe it is time.
Challenge.
Challenge time!
What planet is known as the red planet?
Mars.
Well done.
Nice.
Well, AbuBakir, congratulations. You have won yourself an advantage.
Welcome to reality TV. Steal an ingredient from your opponent.
Hey, he actually picked that out. no. What you trying to steal? The tempered cumin seeds, the onion, the chopped tomatoes? What you trying to steal?
I could be like an absolute dog and steal the chicken.
Chicken!
But that's
She just got
so...
serve up tikka tacos.
You know, I'm gonna take your salt.
Oh. Mina, how does that affect you? Does it really affect you? He can't take it back now, so...
No, because there's a communal salt there, so I can use that.
No, it's my salt.
no. Communal salt.
So I'm gonna put some tomatoes. I'm gonna make a nice yogurt sauce to put on top.
Ooh.
And
We call that raita.
raita.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cook the onions and I'm gonna put the onions into the sauce. Like a little bit of sweetness.
Ooh, creativity!
That's what I'm talking. Look, is that how you make raita? Well, you wouldn't know.
I wouldn't know. Yeah,
Of
you're
course.
so right about
Hopeless.
that. Well, we'll call up my mum later on. You do, ladies and gentlemen, you do have 15 minutes remaining.
No.
So 20.
Oh my god! I'm so scared.
How are you guys with chili?
Judging by my skin color, it's a good for me.
Alright, I'm gonna start
Alright, okay,
I'm gonna
fantastic.
cook my chicken because if I have enough time, I'm gonna do another twist.
You twisting around too
I
much.
gotta do twist, bro.
You twisting
I'm here
too
to win
much.
it. I'm here to win it.
You need confiscate.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna burn my eyebrows.
I know. Burn my eyebrows.
You had the option to take that away from her as the ingredient.
It would have been a deconstructed non-taco whatsoever.
Nah,
You've been chicken tikka.
that's too bad.
Look, today, guys, I was going to sabotage, but genuinely, I am hungry right now. And I am very excited by both dishes. So there will be no sabotaging on my behalf. You're welcome. Both contestants are so busy behind me with their attention there. It'll be a shame if anything grabbed them away from that.
Ah!
Oh,
Challenge time!
no.
Solve this riddle. The more you take from me, the bigger I get. What am I?
Oh, a hole.
Yes.
I need
Well
this.
done.
I need this.
Advantage, crucial time, under 8 minutes left. Pick your advantage.
Okay. Ramis is allowed to help you for 30 seconds.
That is a disadvantage.
No!
That is a disadvantage. AbuBakir, I like you. We're not going to do that one.
Okay. Advantage. Your opponent must only use one hand for 1 minute.
Oh.
Yes.
And Amina, your time starts now.
Okay, great.
For 1 minute?
Yep.
Yes.
Damn. Wow.
Oh, you only
I'm gonna burn my eyebrows.
I reckon no hands and she still has an advantage.
With regards to the blessed month of Ramadan, what do you look forward to the most, Amina?
The silence at the table when everyone breaks their fast, because it's just that contentment that, you know, that
Shukr.
it's the shukr, of course. It's the contentment of, alhamdulillah, we've got food in front of us, and the fact that you've gone through a whole day of fasting, but then to be re-energized and blessed with fresh food. You know, I think that's my happy moment. Alhamdulillah. And to anybody who cooks, the barakah they get with feeding the fasting.
Yeah.
That's
Beautiful.
Yes.
All right, contestants, you have 5 minutes remaining.
Okay.
You must plate up and present your final dishes before that 5 minutes is up.
Are you sure I can't have a bit of salt? Come on, do it. Wait. Okay,
I need tongs.
On the crime scene. 10 seconds, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay. Eat the chicken.
8, 6, 4,
You gotta clean the plate.
3, 2, 1. Hands up.
done.
No way!
Chicken tikka tacos. AbuBakir and
Oh,
Amina.
look at yours, clever.
Now it comes down to the tasting. Brother Moodi, which one are we going in for first? I reckon we're going in.
Yeah, because that's
Archer.
crunchy.
Okay.
I hate a dry taco.
I'm so stressed.
They're so poker faced, aren't they?
Come on.
Hearty, moreish, very generous with the protein. The flavors could have popped a little bit more. I was waiting for something to jump at me
That kick.
afterwards, but Yeah, I think that's, if I was to critique, that would be the only critique of that.
I'll take that.
But everything else.
How many stars are you giving that?
Perfect. 4.
Okay, I'll take that.
I really enjoyed that. I agree, very generous with the protein, and that did feel like chicken tikka. The yogurt, the raita, smashed it, my boy. I loved it. The only thing I didn't like was the actual taco itself.
Really?
I felt like did you taste that little bit of oil? Like it wasn't hitting, and I was still waiting for that punch. But I am also going to give it 4 stars. All right, now
Moment of truth.
after you.
What looks fantastic, give the line.
Can I taste the third one?
Oh yeah, sure.
Because it just looks it looks so good not for me to eat.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Oh yeah, we gonna need a minute.
Say the silence. It's cold.
I'm so sorry, production team behind cameras, you ain't getting none of this. None of you are eating a MasterChef meal right now. I'm devouring this. I'm giving this 5 out of 5.
5, easy.
5 out of 5 for sure. Now, AbuBakir, let the audience know, because you tasted it yourself. Were we being biased today?
I would happily take this as a defeat.
And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, viewers, thank you so much for watching. Amina has won today's challenge. What's on my plate, winner? Yeah, Amina, any words?
Well done.
Thank you
That
very
was
much.
fun.
Amina, I'm not sure how your schedule looks, but I really want to taste something else. So could we please get you on for another episode?
Yeah.
Done. Next episode, we're putting her up against, who was that last guy from the other episode? The one that made that chat green curry, that ugly one that we had to throw at? Malik versus MasterChef. This is gonna be an absolute demolish, and we're so ready for it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.
Well, I'm finishing this.
I'm going.
Do we have a mango on set?
We do.
You are screwed.
So it is the time of Ramadan, so especially for those who are perhaps new to the faith.
I think the technique of julienning, or in Japanese and
Okay.
Whoa!
Can you do me a favor and cut some of the spices in? Again, guys, I'm just happy to be here.